How to make thumbnail for YouTube video using AI. Thumbnails are one of the most important things for a YouTube video. A successful content creators like MrBeast spend hours, sometimes days, in order to make the perfect thumbnail. Do you want to know how to create thumbnails that rival MrBeast?
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to all my YouTube secrets, everything I use to get over 100 million views a video. And the answer is my brand new website that
If you say yes, don't worry, because in this video, I will show you exactly how to use AI to design amazing thumbnails effortlessly. For example, a creator was having a hard time getting the video seen by the algorithm. Then they saw these tools, and now the video are definitely being shown by the YouTube algorithm. A thing to note, this tutorial is not about being lazy creating your thumbnails. It will save you so much time, but you have to put personal touch. So be sure to stick around, because I will not only show you how it works, but also share tips on how to make your thumbnail stand out from the crowd.
If you knew what I knew, you could get 10 million subscribers within 6 months.
Your first video is not going to get views.
Subscribers don't matter, views don't matter. I mean, they do.
Why thumbnails matter? Let me tell you something about YouTube. Thumbnails are the secret heroes of a video. You might think it's all about the content, but no. Thumbnails are your first impression, and you know the saying, first impression matters, right? Think of MrBeast, for example. He has very good thumbnails. They are bright, bold, and scream, "Click me now." Don't take my word for it. He talked about this in multiple podcasts in the past. He always said that the thumbnails are one of the most crucial parts of his video, and it's true. A killer thumbnails can be the difference because a video that goes viral and one that does not. Let me share a little story. I have heard of someone when they first started YouTube, they used to spend hours on the video, editing it, adding transition, and even adding music. But when it comes to the thumbnails, they slap it something together in 5 minutes and call it a day. Let's just say it did not end well, and it was then when they have realized that giving thumbnails the attention they deserve gives a good result in the channel growth. That's why when Tumblr opened an AI tool called Pixel that create top tier thumbnail with just a few prompts, they knew that they had to give it a shot. This tool is like having a professional graphic design on your fingertips, and trust me, by the end of this, you will understand what I'm talking about. Shout out to Pixel for sponsoring this video today. Step number 1, getting started with Pixels. First thing first, in order to use Pixels, you need to join the Discord server first. Don't worry though, it's really easy. Once you are in, head to How To channel. This will be your crash course on prompts. Don't worry, they will give you tips like make a thumbnail for a Minecraft video or code it. Be specific in your prompts, give details. Instead of saying Minecraft thumbnails, try a Minecraft thumbnail with a close-up of a character holding a diamond sword set against dramatic lava flow cave with glowing red and orange tone. The more details, the better. Step number 2, Pixels in action. So how does it actually work? You will find Pixel on the right side of the Discord server. Right-click it, then select message, and you are done. Test it out by giving it a short, simple prompts and look at the result yourself. Is it decent? Well done? Bad? Good? But remember what I said, AI thrives on the details, so try again, but with a longer, more descriptive prompts. Then look at the difference between the two prompts. Let's break it down. For example, my first attempt was something like create a thumbnail for a gaming video. The result was okay, it was decent, but it lacked personality. Then I tried again, put it in more detail in the prompts. Create a gaming thumbnail with a close-up of a player shocked face surrounded by a glowing blue aura with explosion of action packet graphic in the background. And I like the result very much. But like any tools, is not necessarily perfect. One thumbnail it generated felt too distant and boxed in. No worries, those Pixels allow you to change your design. Just click edit edit thumbnails and edit the prompt, make the picture closer to the camera, hit submit, then boom, instant improvement. Honestly, I'm even considering swapping out one of my current thumbnails with it. It's just that good. You're not just stuck with what it gives you. You can improve and change it until it's exactly what you need. Step number 3, exploring advanced features. This is where things get interesting. It does not only create thumbnails from scratch, but it can also replicate styles from creators. For example, I found a thumbnail from Mr. Beast that I like it. I just copied the link, then pasted it into Pixels. It copied the style so perfectly that I had a hard time believing it was AI. It's amazing. Imagine being able to give the vibe of your favorite creators. This feature alone is worth using. And then there is a face swap features. Let's say you have got a thumbnail concept, but you need a face on it. Just upload the image link and Pixel will replace the face for you. It's like having Photoshop without using Photoshop. One time I wanted to test this feature for funny ideas. I tried swapping my face onto a superhero character, and the result, not only was it well done, but it was also absolutely hilarious. Lastly, it has the ability to add specific elements from popular trends. For example, if you want to use exaggerated expression in your thumbnails or having a limited color palette style, Pixel can help with that too. Just put it in your prompt and watch the magic happen. Step number 4, pricing tips. Okay, now let's talk about the money. Pixels has a free tier, but if you are serious about your thumbnail, the premium account is the best. It's offer a ton of feature for you, but even if you use the free version, it's still pretty good. Pro tips. Once you have got your AI generated thumbnails, don't stop there. Take it into Photoshop or any editing software, edit it yourself, add text, tweak some of the colors, or use a camera raw filter for that extra pop. Sometimes a little human touch can take an already great thumbnail from an AI to make it phenomenal. Also, don't forget your branding. Does the thumbnail align with your channel style? If not, edit it so it matches. Consistency builds trust with your viewers and makes your content recognizable. Honestly, this tool is amazing. It's easy to use, powerful, and make thumbnail creation easy. If you ever struggle with making thumbnails that grab attention, this might just be your new best friend. It's like having a secret weapon in the competitive war of YouTube. Give it a try. Whether you are a beginner or an established creator, Pixels has something for you. You will even wonder how you ever manage it without it. And who knows? That next level thumbnail might just be the key to your success. Do you want to know more tips and tricks in making money? Click to subscribe for more videos like this. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and like and share, so that way you can stay notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, bye.